We all have used Google Drive at some point, whether for work or personal stuff, without really knowing all the cool things it can do. It's like a treasure trove of features. In fact, Google Drive is packed with hidden tricks that can seriously simplify your life and work. In today's video, I've got 7 mind-blowing Google Drive tricks that are going to revolutionize the way you do things online. So let's get started. The first Google Drive trick that I'm going to show you is how to use voice typing in Google Docs. Voice typing is a feature that lets you dictate your text instead of typing it manually. This can save you a lot of time, especially if you have a lot of text to write or if you are not comfortable with typing. Voice typing can also help you avoid typos and spelling errors, and improve your accessibility if you have any physical limitations. To use voice typing in Google Docs, all you need is a microphone and an internet connection. To use this feature, open Google Doc and click on Tools in the menu bar. Select Voice Typing from the drop-down menu. A microphone icon will appear on the left side of your document. Click on it to start voice typing. You can also use commands like new line or new paragraph, and if you make a mistake, you can say undo or delete to correct it. You can also use your mouse or keyboard to edit your text manually. To stop voice typing, click on the microphone icon again or say stop listening. That's it! You can finally rest your fingers and let your voice be in charge. Isn't it amazing? Let me know in the comments if you have ever used voice typing before and what you think of it. The second super cool Google Drive trick is to insert images from the web directly into your Google Docs, Slides, or Sheets without downloading them first. This can save you a lot of storage space on your device, as well as the time and hassle of finding and downloading relevant images for your documents. To insert images from the web, open Google Docs, Slide, or Sheet and click on Insert in the menu bar. Select Image from the drop-down menu. A dialog box will appear with different options for inserting images. Select Search the Web option. A sidebar will appear on the right side of your document with a search box and some suggested images. Type in a keyword related to the image that you want to insert and press Enter. You can also filter your results by size, color, type, usage rights, etc., and add captions to your image by right. Clicking on it and selecting Alt Text or Caption from the menu. That's how easy it is to insert images from the web into your Google files. This feature can help you find relevant images quickly and avoid any copyright issues. Just make sure that you cite your sources properly. Coming down to our third Google Drive trick that is too good to be true. Well, now you can publish your Google Docs, Slides, or Sheets on the web that anyone can view or download. This can help you share your work with a wider audience, create a portfolio or a resume, or embed your document on other websites or social media platforms. To publish your Google Drive files on the web, open the file that you want to publish on the web and click on File in the menu bar. Select Share and then Publish to the web from the drop-down menu. Click on Publish button and confirm your action. A link will be generated that you can copy and share with anyone who wants to view your document on the web. You can also revoke the link at any time by clicking on Stop Publishing button. You can also publish your document as a PDF file by selecting Embed option. You can choose the size and layout of your document as you want it to appear on the web. You can also choose whether to include a download link or not. Well, now you tell me, have you used this feature before? Or do you have your own list of quirky Google Drive hacks that are super cool and productive? Let me know in the comments down below. The fourth Google Drive trick, which is also my personal favorite, is adding extensions and add-ons that can boost Google Drive functionality and features. These extensions and add-ons are small applications that you can install on your browser or within your Google Drive that can help you with various tasks, such as editing images, creating diagrams, signing documents, translating text, etc. To install extensions for Google Drive, tap on the extensions in the menu bar and click Add-ons. Choose from thousands of free and paid extensions that are going to supercharge your work like magic. You can search for add-ons by name or category or browse through the featured and popular ones. Find an add-on that you want and click on Install button to get started. Amazing, isn't it? Well, let me know which extensions and add-ons are a game changer for you. Share them in the comments below. Coming down to number 5, we have Google Drive Scan feature. This trick lets you scan and save files right into your drive. Amazing, right? Well, let me show you how. Simply download and install the Google Drive app on your smartphone from the Play Store. Open Google Drive app and sign in with your Google account. Tap on the plus icon at the bottom right corner of the screen and select Scan from the menu. Tap on the shutter button to take a picture of the document. You can also scan multiple pages by tapping on the plus icon at the bottom left corner of the screen and repeating the process. Tap on the checkmark icon at the bottom right corner of the screen when you are done scanning. A preview of your scanned document will appear on your screen. You can edit it by tapping on the pencil icon at the top right corner of the screen. You can also add notes and labels to your document by tapping on the icons at the bottom of the screen. Tap on Save, and voila! Your scanned document will be uploaded to your Google Drive account, and you can access it from any device. This feature can help you keep track of your important files, receipts, photos, etc., and access them anytime, anywhere. Well, now I am curious. What Google Drive tricks work like magic for you to save time and effort? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Now it's time for our Google Drive trick number 6, which lets you lock your Google Drive app on your iPhone using Face ID or Touch ID to prevent unauthorized access to your files. This can help you secure your data, protect your privacy, and avoid accidental deletions or modifications of your files. To lock your Google Drive app using Face ID or Touch ID, open the Google Drive app on your Apple device and tap on the menu icon at the top left corner of the screen. Tap on Settings from the menu. Tap on Privacy Screen under the Security section. Toggle on the Privacy Screen option. A dialog box will appear asking you to enable Face ID or Touch ID to unlock Google Drive app. Tap on OK button if you agree. The next time you open Google Drive app, you will be asked to authenticate yourself using Face ID or Touch ID before accessing your files. Sounds cool, right? Let me know if you have tried this feature or not in the comments below. Well, coming at number 7, we have the OCR feature. This Google Drive trick lets you use the optical character recognition, aka OCR, in Google Drive to read texts inside, images, or PDF files and convert them into editable text documents. To use OCR feature in Google Drive, upload an image or a PDF file that contains text to your Google Drive account. You can do this by dragging and dropping the file from your computer to your Google Drive folder, or by clicking on the New button at the top left corner of the screen and selecting File Upload from the menu. Right-click on the image or the PDF file that you want to convert, and select Open with Google Docs from the menu. A new Google Doc will be created with the image or the PDF file inserted at the top and the extracted text below it. You can edit, format, or delete the text as you wish. Save and rename your Google Doc as you want. Well, now tell me, what do you think of these crazy Google Drive tricks? Are you up to try these next? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and this brings us to a wrap. I hope you learned something new and useful from these 7 insane Google Drive tricks that can take your productivity from 0 to mind-blowing. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below. I would love to hear your feedback and suggestions for future videos. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.